In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Enquiry form in the WP Travel Engine plugin using the Travelscape theme. To kick off, you'll need to access the WordPress dashboard. So start by logging into your WordPress dashboard by navigating to your website's admin login page, which is typically your domain.com/wp-admin, and entering your login credentials. Once you've gained access, head over to the left-hand sidebar and locate the WP Travel Engine tab. This is where you'll make all the necessary changes to your Enquiry form. Click on the WP Travel Engine tab to open up a drop-down list of options. From here, select Settings to proceed. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll notice various categories to choose from. For our purposes, we need to focus on the Forms tab, so go ahead and click on Forms. This is the area where you can customize the form fields used on your Enquiry form, specifically for the Travelscape theme. Now that you're in the Form section, locate the Enquiry form. This can be identified as the form used within the Travelscape theme. Once you find it, click on Edit to bring up the customization options. This is the part where you have the freedom to tailor the form's fields to better suit your business needs. In the customization settings for the Enquiry form, you have the option to add, remove, or rename fields such as name, email, phone, and message. Take your time to think about what information is crucial for your business and make those adjustments accordingly. All modifications should reflect the kind of responses you're hoping to garner from potential customers. If you find that the order of the fields requires tweaking, the platform allows you to change the field order easily. Simply drag and drop the fields to arrange them in the order that makes the most sense for your form layout. Once you've made all the desired changes, we reach to an important step, saving these changes. Look for the Save Changes button, which is commonly located towards the bottom of the page, and click on it. It's critical to ensure all your customizations are locked in. Don't forget to also click on Save All Changes to ensure your settings are applied across the board. Once saved, it's always a good idea to test the form. Head over to your trip page and fill out the Enquiry form as a user would. Submit the form to check that you receive the confirmation email. If everything is functioning correctly, your edits are complete and your new Enquiry form is ready for use. And that's it! You've successfully edited the Enquiry form in the WP Travel Engine plugin using the Travelscape theme. Thanks for watching and happy travels!